Hi children, a very good morning to all. How do you do? I hope you all fine and stay healthy. Okay children, stay home, stay safe. Welcome to grade 2 math class. Today we are going to discuss about chapter 5 patterns part 1. Okay children, in this session, first one, we are going to learn about what is mean by pattern. What is mean by pattern? See children, objects or numbers that are arranged according to a rule or rules form a pattern. I will repeat. What is mean by pattern? Objects or numbers. Objects or numbers that are arranged according to a rule or rules form a pattern. Okay children. We all must have seen different kinds of patterns in our daily life. Is it children? Yes. Like on clothes, bed sheets, saree borders, garlands, etc. You see children, these kinds of patterns we see in our daily life. Okay children, shall we move on the next one? See, look at the bracelet. We have a square, circle and triangle. Again, we have a square, circle and triangle and so on. See children, this is called a pattern. This is called a pattern as it is repeating itself. Is it children? Yes. See children, look, we got the pattern. Now let us try to making few more patterns. Okay children? You are very interesting? Yes. Shall we move on the next one? See, we can find the patterns in letters too. Okay. See, now observe the given pattern and write the next 4 letters. See children, A, B, A, B. We can see that letter A and the letter B. See, the letter A and the letter B are placed alternatively. Is it children? Yes. This becomes a pattern. See children, so the next letter will be letter A. And the next letter will be letter B. Then again letter A. Then lastly letter B. See children, I will repeat one more time. We can see that letter A and letter B, see children, are placed alternatively. Here is letter A, the next one is letter B. And the again letter A and the again letter B. You see children, this becomes a pattern. So the next letter will be in letter A. The next letter will be in letter B. Is it children? And again the next letter will be in letter A. The next letter B. Okay children, are you understand this? Shall we move on the next one? Okay. Did you know children, we find the patterns in numbers also? Yes. Let's see how. Look at the pattern carefully. See children, what can you observe? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. See children, if we compare the numbers 2 and 4, 4 is greater than 2. Then if we compare the numbers 4 and 6, 6 is greater than 4. Is it children? See children, is the pattern is going in increasing order. Is it children? Yes. See children, look at the first number. What is this? 2. See children, Our first number is 2. What is our next number? 4. What is our next number? 4. See children, we have count forward 2 times, we get 4. So, 2 plus 2, that is we get 4. And again, if we add 4 with 2, we get 6. See children, we can call it this method as skip count by 2's. So, if you add 2 with 2, we get 4. So, if you add 2 with 4, we get 6. If you add 2 with 6, we get 8. If you add 8 with 2, we get 10. If you add 10 with 2, we get 12 and so on. Is it children? We can call it is this method as skip count by 2's. In previous class we learnt, you know. Yes, here we applying the rule skip count by 2's. Okay children, shall we move on the next one? See children, look at the pattern carefully. What can you observe? Yes, 40, 36, 32. See children, we are going to find the next 4 numbers only. Okay, see if we compare these 2 numbers 40 and 36, which is greater? Yes, 40. 40 is greater than 36. Then if we compare 36 and 32, which is greater? Yes, 36 is greater than 32. Okay children, is the pattern is going on? Decreasing order. Super children, your answer is correct. Is this pattern is going in decreasing order? See children, look at the first number. What it is? 40. What it is? 40. See children, what is our next number? 36. Already we found it is in decreasing order. That means we have to count backward. See 46, 40 before, 39, then 38, then 37, then 36. See children, if we have to count backward for how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. So if we have to count backward 4 times, we get 36. Is it children? See the next one, 36 before, 35, 34, 33 and 32. From 36, we have to count backward 35, 34, 33 and 32. If we have to count backward 4 times, we get the next number 32. Okay children, are you understand? See, shall we move on the next one? See, we have a 32. We have a 32. So 32 before, 31, 30. We should go backward how many times children? Do you remember? Yes. We have to count backward 4 times. So 31, 30, 29, 28. So if you move backward 4 times, we get the next number. What is our next number? 28. See children, here the number is 28. Here the number is 28. See 28 before, 27, 26, 25, 24. If we backward 4 times. If you go backward 4 times, we get the 24. Then 24 before, 23, 22, 21, then 20. So we get the next number 20. Okay children, are you understand? See, 20 before, 19, 18, 17, 16. So we get the number 16. Okay children, are you understand? Here we applying the backward counting how many times? 4 times. Okay children, you all very clear in today's topic. What is our today's topic? Patterns. Okay children, now we are in homework part. Do the given assignment in practice book. Refer practice book page number 21 and 22 and 23. And also one more homework. Learn and write the multiplication table 9 for one time. Okay children, I will meet in the next video. Bye. Thank you.